it's just 12 o'clock, it's midday, and all of the major highways in the country are blocked. Some are by marchers, protesters who are marching on the streets. Some are sitting on the streets. Some just park their cars or are putting tires on fire.
אנחנו מאוחדים בדרישה פשוטה שמופנית כלפי ממשלת ישראל. להניח על השולחן כבר היום מתווה ישראלי של עסקה כוללת לסיום המלחמה תמורת השבת החטוף האחרון.
And there are protests on every major and also not major intersections all over the country. People are also organizing by professions. There's a protest of physicians, of mental health care workers, of educators, of parents, of soldiers. What they did, along with many other large organizations in the country or in financial organizations, did not declare that they are on strike, but they sort of winked at the employees, telling them you can do whatever your conscience tells you to do.
היום מדינה שלמה לחצה על בלם החירום. היום עוצרים הכל כדי להציל ולהחזיר את החטופים והחיילים. היום עוצרים הכל כדי לזכור את הערך העליון של קדושת החיים.
Because we have had many wars, most of them or many of them were not in our hands. We had to fight them. This is a war that we could stop and we should stop. And also we are doing a lot of harm to the Palestinian population, which is not Hamas in Gaza and elsewhere.
אלה שקוראים היום לסיום המלחמה ללא הכרעת החמאס, לא רק שמקשיחים את עמדת החמאס ומרחיקים את שחרור חטופינו.
Between 70 to 80% very, very consistently are saying stop this war. This means essentially that the Israeli government is acting against the will of its people.